Today I'm going to show you a simple design that's trendy and complemented beautifully by a Caribbean splash vase. I'm Derek Woodruff from Traverse City, Michigan, and we are at Syndicate Studios. Today I'm going to talk about a new rollout from Syndicate Sales, the Caribbean Splash Assortment. These vibrant colors with their two-tone effects will complement any design and brighten up any cooler this spring and Mother's Day. Today I'm working with the small gathering vase in Papaya Punch, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make your design much more adventurous and dynamic. Most of you are already familiar with working with these shapes. Syndicate has just redesigned the look. I'm going to start by greening in the vase because that makes it easy to assess where the flowers are going to go. As I green in this vase, I notice how much I like the texture with this color. I chose bright, vibrant orange flowers to give me a more monochromatic look. It's kind of my favorite design style. This ranunculus is absolutely beautiful, and the color, though pale, accents this bright orange vase nicely. The gathering vase is one of my favorite shapes to work with because it makes designing so easy. With the two-tone frosted look, you can see the stems in the vase, which I think is a great design attribute. I chose the gerbs for this design as well because they have a bright orange color and makes Papaya Punch look even more fabulous. And there you have it, a trendy design created simply and accented nicely by a Caribbean splash vase.